In this video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect Instagram from Facebook. So you want to open up Facebook, click on the bottom right on your menu, then click on Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. From there, you want to click on See More in Account Center, click on Profiles, click on Facebook, and make sure that this is turned off so that it's gray as you see on the screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.